Hi everyone, back at it with another video. So in this video, I'll be talking about another species of bird that has never been held in captivity and has only ever been seen out in the wild, and that is the tiger parrot. So there are four members of the tiger parrot species, um, and they are basically all found in the region of Papua and West Papua and Papua New Guinea, around there. Why these guys have never actually been held in captivity is because of their unique diets, as well as they are just extremely iffy. So the reason why they get the name the tiger parrot is because of the unique tiger stripe pattern that they have on their backs. So to start off with the tiger parrots, I'll be starting off with the Brem's tiger. These birds are found in dense forests of Papua New Guinea in elevations over 3,000 meters above sea level. So quite far up in the mountains there. These birds have been observed mostly eating small seeds and berries from conifer trees and fruits. I hope I get these two Latin names correct. The podocarpus, from the podocarpus trees, as well as buds, fruits, and seeds from the homelanthus genus. So yeah, apparently all the tiger birds are very slow flyers and only like flying in small distances. The Brem's tiger has been found in small groups, small family groups, and these birds are dimorphic, so you can tell between males and females. The males have a dark brown head, tinged in olive, with the sides of the neck having yellow lines with a green upper part. The back is green barred with black and yellow. They have a green breast area with red undertail coverts and with a green tail. And this is another one of those birds where they have a blue-gray beak, but these guys, their beaks are tipped in a white color. And the males have got amazing red eyes. The females have no yellow lines down the sides of their neck, with yellow breasts with black barring. So they are at least noticeably different. The next one, I hope I get this name right. The Madarasa's tiger. These birds are actually found in snowy mountain areas, in the forests encasing the snowy mountain areas in West Papua New Guinea, in elevations of 2,500 meters above sea level. These guys are mostly been observed feeding on seeds, fruits, and hard berries, as well as leaf pulp, and also arboreal ant plants. I don't know what that is, but that's as much research as I can get on these guys. And have only ever been seen in pairs that when they forage on different levels of the canopy, but they never lose sight of each other. Once again, these birds are dimorphic, with the males having an olive brown head with the central feathers of the crown down to the hind neck are yellow, with a kind of mottled like appearance to them. The throat and lower cheeks have a pale yellow spotting on it, with an olive brown wash to the upper breast area. The tail coverts are red, with a green upper part, so basically like the chest, so up to the upper breast are green, with narrow barring of yellow, green, and black, and then they have a green tail. Once again, they've also got the blue-gray beak with a white tip, and their eyes are actually reddish brown, where the females have a blue wash on their forehead with a yellow wash over their eyes. So around their eyes, it's more of, not yellow, orange, more of an orange color. The nape and hind neck are also orange, but with black barring. Sorry, the dog. The rump and lower back is yellow and green, barred in black. And these females actually have pure red eyes, unlike the reddish brown eyes of the male. The next one is the modest tiger. These birds are found in the mountains of West Papua and Papua New Guinea in elevations of up to 2,800 meters. These guys have been seen eating seeds, hard berries, and fruits from conifers, and have been observed in pairs. But when approached by scientists to see what their habits are, they fly away. But once again, these guys only fly short distances, and they are very slow at flying. Once again, these birds are dimorphic. So the males have dark brown foreheads, lores, and crowns, with a dull olive yellow color on their nape and hind neck, which is margined with brown. The head is an olive brown that turns paler on the throat and from the throat and onto the breast area. The undertail coverts are red, with the upper part above the undertail coverts being green. The feathers are finely edged with black. The upper part of the tail is green. The rest of the whole tail is green, and the upper part of the tail is green. So yes. The beak is also blue-gray tipped with white, and these guys have orange eyes. The females have a brown head and orange breast area, and the feathers are widely margined in a dark brown with yellow, are margined with with dark brown with a yellow green brown barring on the sides of the abdomen. So these guys are also all extremely beautiful. Like you'll see in the photos I'll be posting up above here, they are gorgeous. And then the very last of the tiger parrots is the painted tiger. Like all the others, these birds are found in the forests and glades of West Papua and Papua New Guinea at elevations over 4,000 meters above sea level. So the diet of these guys has been observed to be mostly small hard berries, seeds, and fruits from conifer trees as well. These birds have been seen in their pairs, as well as small groups that sometimes mix with the Madaraza's tiger, the one that I've said further up. And like the others, these guys are dimorphic, with the males having a mostly green body with a crown that is surrounded by a reddish brown color, with the sides of the neck having thin yellow bands. The throat and upper breast area are washed in blue. The mantle and back are green barred in black. The rump, upper and under tail coverts are red with a green tail. And then the beak is a blue-gray tipped with white. And they also have the gorgeous orange eyes. The females are literally exactly the same as the males, except they do not have the yellow banding on their neck, cheek, and ears. On their neck, the cheek and ears, sorry about that, are a blue-green. The breast and the sides of the abdomen are yellow, striped in black. So yes, so you'll see all these guys are always found in very isolated areas, which makes them extremely hard to actually see them, and makes it even harder to try and bring any into captivity. All these guys, their numbers are unknown. They all are put at least concerned on the IUCN list, but all their numbers are decreasing due to deforestation for farmlands as well as poaching, where people are trying to illegally put them into the wild bird trade. But unfortunately, these guys don't last too long like that, because they bond quite heavily with each other, and if you break that bond, there's a very big possibility where they'll die of broken heart syndrome. And it's horrible. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.